Hey everybody, Andy and Joe. Before we get started, I just want to say thanks for everyone who does watch, and if you have any suggestions, by all means put them in the comments below, and please like, subscribe, follow, comment, share, all of the above, and let's get on with it. So, my new windshield arrived, and I haven't opened it yet, so I figured I would let y'all be part of that. As you can see, here it is. Came from Freedom Shields. And let's get into it. It says, do not use blades to open. But if we're gentle, if we are gentle, we might can open it without tearing anything. That would be the invoice, and they're saying thank you for your order. Oh God, at all the packing peanuts. There's just no way to do this without making a mess. Awesome. And as you can see, it has a slight recurve. And it also has, if you can see it, engraving. Which that means for this particular windshield, I cannot return it. They said if it's not right, I can exchange it, and they can give me a discount on a new one. But because it's engraved, it's personalized, so it means it cannot be refunded. I knew that when I ordered the engraving. But otherwise, if you get a windshield that's not engraved, you can test it with the film on and turn it back if it don't work out for what you need. So good deal. So that's the windshield. It has Roadmaster Chieftain okay 10-4. Yeah, I'm just reading everything. So what we're about to do is I'm about to go pull the bike out of the shop and get it in the backyard, and we are going to install the windshield. Be back in a few minutes. Okay everybody, we have everything ready. This is my current windshield. As you can see, it's dirty, it's scratched, it's hazed. I've got everything I need. The bike needs washing, please excuse that. What I've done is the instructions said to put tape over these square nuts. If you buy a windshield and do it yourself, they're a little difficult to get to, but as you see, I've got them because those nuts will fall out, they say. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to shoot this in like a time lapse. That way y'all don't have to watch the whole process in slow motion. So let's get started. Well, everybody, there it is. New windshield installed. Someone told me this was Special Forces, but I got it because I like to cross arrows and the bike is an Indian, so to my mind it's Indian related. But that's the new windshield. It's a little wider up top, as you see. I don't know if I'll get a ride video done today with it, but if not today, it will be tomorrow. I think it looks good. I like it. It's clear. I can see through it, so that is definitely a plus. But all right, let's get all these tools picked up. Hey everybody. So I did decide to go ahead and do the ride video with the new windshield, and it is, as far as height goes, it's perfect. It's just the same height as the other one. So let me tell y'all, if you order a Freedom windshield and your bike has the stock, mine came with a stock 18-inch windshield. So if your bike has the stock 18-inch, you want to order the 16-inch from Freedom Shields because they measure a little differently. But with the windshield all the way down, I can just see over it, which is what I like. So it means I can see over the windshield, which to me is fucking perfect. And if I let it up, I'm looking dead through it. When I get out of town, we're going to see if it really directs as much air as it's supposed to. Like I said, it does have a slight recurve. I love the shape of the windshield. It's not that direct dome windshield. It's actually wider, and I love that. I like the way that looks. My little engravings are just, I like that. I really do. It's not stickers. It's supposed to be engraved in the windscreen. We're gonna get out on the interstate. Not the interstate, but the highway. Just to kind of see what it's going to do. But yeah, I called Freedom Shields and they gave me a promo code for me to get 10% off. It's not one that they hand out, it's one that they use. And I don't feel like it's my job to, you know, give a promo code that they use like on special occasions to everybody. But if you call them and say like, hey, is there any way I can get 10% off? They may give you the code. With the engraving, it was $237, almost $240, I think, with the engraving. That's with tax, shipping, everything. And I like it. I mean, I really do. I like it. I would tell you, when you pull your stock windshield off, because of the rubber bushings, it's stuck. So you kind of had to put it a little force. Oh wow. So at highway speed, I'm not getting any wind on my helmet with the windshield all the way up. I'm curious what it's like all the way down. Alright, I still get wind noise, but not so much buffeting. I get like a small amount of buffeting, about the same, maybe a little less than a stock windshield. But you can tell that the way the windshield shape, it does keep more wind off of me, especially on my arms in this cooler weather, which I'm wearing short sleeves. But hell, I like it. It's perfect. I ordered the 16-inch versus they had an 18-inch option, but The 18-inch would have been too tall all the way down for me because I like to look over my windshield when it's down. So if you have an 18-inch windshield now stock, order the 16. If you like the placement of the 18-inch, if you like the way your stock 18-inch windshield sets, feels, etc., order the 16 and you'll have the same experience. An 18 for me would have been too tall. From Freedom Shields, an 18 would have been too tall. Let me specify. But yeah, I absolutely love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it. Good purchase. I would highly recommend them. Their windshields are not polycarbonate, so they don't scratch as easy. They are Rain-X safe, so you can put Rain-X on them, which I plan on doing to mine. They said don't use anything with ammonia in it to clean it because it could scratch it, but and just kind of clean it with a microfiber cloth. Now this is acrylic. This is not polycarbonate, but this is supposed to be a hardened acrylic, a modified hardened acrylic, which is not as fragile as traditional acrylic. So you get a trade-off by going with acrylic. You get less scratchability, or less easy to scratch, but it can break. Polycarbonate is almost impossible to break, but it will scratch easily. It will scratch with something as simple as a wet paper towel, which is actually what happened to my factory windshield, because my dummy self decided that I would wipe my dew off the windshield in the mornings with a paper towel. So yeah, I am the cause for having to buy a new windshield, but it is what it is. But anyway, this is my video and thoughts, unboxing and thoughts on the Freedom Shields windshield. So I like it. I really do. I would recommend it if you're looking at getting a new windshield. They have tinted windshields, from light to darker. They have clear. They have anything. I think they have 10-inch up to an 18-inch. They make them for Indian and Harley. You know, I love it. I would recommend, if you're looking for one, at very least check them out. You know, I paid for this, so this is not a paid opinion. Everything I do an opinion on is my opinion. But I love it, and just check them out if you're looking. I can't stress that enough. I know I repeated it a million times, and I'm sorry, that's just the way I am. So y'all take it easy, stay safe, keep the shiny side up, and see you next time. Later.